everybody, this is Alex here from Vision Sports Ireland. Just an idea on some games for the family to do while in isolation at home. So this is a B1 football. As you can hear, it makes the noise. This is the football that we're going to use for this, but if you don't have one of these, not to worry, we have some different ones here. So this is a mainstream football. So we've wrapped a plastic bag around it. It's not ideal, but it makes some noise and it's better than none. Another one we have, so this is paper bag wrapped around the ball, so you can hear the noise that it makes there, which is not ideal, as I said, not as great as a B1 football, but it's better than nothing. So the game that we're planning here today is a game of football bowling. So can we come down here? So we've got some Skittles set up here for football bowling. So as you can see, we've got yellow, red and green Skittles. So if you don't have any of these, not to worry. We have an adaptation over here. So basically these are water bottles that we've filled up and we're going to use them as Skittles. Okay, so I'm going to come back and we're going to have a go. Okay, so I got to put my blindfold on. Okay. Okay, ready? Ready, camera?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going the right direction.
Straight.
Yes. Okay, that was a good shot, Senan. So stick your blindfold on for me. Come on, young man. So we're going to bring you up a little bit. So you're going to show us how we do it on the water bottles, okay? Okay, so you're going to wait for me to go all the way up. Okay, hang on a second. Okay, so if I just make a little bit of noise before, okay, and you're going to kick the ball towards the noise, okay? Okay. Okay, whenever you're ready, take your time. Come on. Oh, good shot. Well done. Okay guys, we hope you have fun with that game. Send us in some videos, send us the link, send us anything you can, let us know how you get on. And if you have any more ideas of games that people could do from home, let us know. Thanks very much.